Alright guys, we're going to be working on this 2019 Lexus GS 350 rear bumper removal. If you guys need this particular bumper for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source, where you guys can get this bumper already color matched the exact color of your vehicle shipped straight to you at ReveMoto.com. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, we're going to get a 10mm right here. It's gonna be a 10mm socket. I like the long one, and also if you guys have the wrench, that's perfectly fine. But I have this power tool, so I'm gonna use that to make things faster. All right. So if you guys go right here, there's gonna be a 10mm bolt like right here. So all you gotta do is press back on this. Press back on this. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's like, if you can feel it, it's like right here. You get a 10mm. Just kind of feel it. So it's gonna be a 10mm bolt like this one. Underneath, the same thing. It's gonna be a 10mm right there. Take that off. Alright. So just go ahead and start working your way underneath the vehicle. So like right here, right there, is gonna be push pins. So we got underneath. Same thing right here. So it looks like everything underneath is already good to go. And then same thing right here. You're just gonna pull this back. And then right here, let me get that 10mm out. See, it's like this clip right here is supposed to just come out pretty easily, but so you guys can see, I'm not sure what happened to it. It's still not coming out easily, but that's what that is right there. Put that back on there. See, like this one, someone already like did some repair work on it, looks like, but it's not supposed to be like that. And I can tell because you see it's a clear coat drip right there, but we'll go ahead and fix that for them. Get this back on. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and pop the trunk. So if you guys go right here, go ahead and pop this. You see? Let's go and do the other one also. So 10mm. Same thing. There you go. And now, the only thing you have to be careful is whenever you guys pull it, there's sensors because we have to unclip the wire harness, okay? So, kind of move some of this to the side. I like to go to one side, just like this one right here. Kind of pop it like that. See, all it is held on by clips or like a bracket right here. So you guys can see it's already kind of moving out. Go to the other side, like this one. Same thing. So you see I like put my finger there, so it kind of guides it. Like that. See, Just slap it down. And then there's this clip right here. All right. Alright guys, that's how you take off a 2018-2019 GS 350 rear bumper.